At Le-Vel, we have the 4 R's. We have the right company at the right time with the right leadership and the right products. I fully believe that it makes all the difference when your products actually do what they say they're going to do. And as baseline as that is, it's just the truth. When we say that they're going to do something for you, guess what? They do it. And that makes all the difference when it comes to helping people get their health back, helping people fill those nutritional gaps, helping people achieve financial success in a business opportunity. You have to have the right things all lined up in a row, and I believe that Le-Vel has provided that for us.